Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. Today I want to talk about a tool that can help your online store or e-commerce business to get more sales. It's called SellerPic, and right now it comes with a lifetime deal on AppSumo. So you can pay once and you can use it forever. Before we begin, don't forget to check the description below for the latest deal, updates and helpful links. I will always keep it fresh for you. So let's get started. SellerPic is a tool that helps you to make your product images look better and more professional. It uses AI and a smart design tool to create clean, high converting picture for your products. If you sell online on Shopify, Amazon, Etsy or your own website, then you know how important product images are. People wouldn't buy it if your product is not good or is it bad or it's boring. SellerPic can help you to fix that. You can remove messy background and add clean white ones, or even place your product in a real life settings. It also helps you add text, prices or features in the images. So why is this important? Because good images mean more trust and more trust mean more sales. That's how online shopping works. And the best part is you don't need Photoshop or graphic designer. SellerPic is made for beginners and it works in just a few clicks. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal. Most tools like this charge every single month, but SellerPic is offering a one-time price on AppSumo and you can keep using it forever. That saves you money, especially if you run an e-commerce store or sell many products. If you are selling online and want better images, more clicks and more conversions without paying every single month, then yes, this deal is a great option for you. Lifetime deals don't last forever. So please check the description to see is it still active or not. If this video helped you, leave a like and comment below and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.